Today we're going to be going over limits, L'Hopital's rule, and indeterminate forms. The problem that we have today is the limit as x approaches infinity of 4x times sine of 1 over x. If we evaluate this limit, we end up with a 0 times infinity indeterminate form. Now we need to convert this form into one where we can apply L'Hopital's rule, which is either 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So we're going to do a little algebra trick in order to convert our 0 times infinity indeterminate form into something that we can use. So we're going to take this x and we're going to move it to the denominator as a 1 over x. So we're going to have the limit as x approaches infinity of 4 times sine of 1 over x over 1 over x. Now when we evaluate our limit, we end up with a 0 over 0 indeterminate form, which we can apply L'Hopital's rule to. That means we need to take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom independently, and when we do so, we end up with 4 times the cosine of 1 over x, and then from our chain rule, a minus 1 over x squared. When we take the derivative of 1 over x, we end up with a minus 1 over x squared. Now we can cancel out the minus 1 over x squared and end up with our new limit. Limit as x approaches infinity of 4 cosine of 1 over x all over 1. Now when we evaluate our limit, we end up with 4 times cosine of 0 over 1. Cosine of 0 is 1. We end up with 4. Therefore, our original limit is also equal to 4. Follow Connection Math for more math tips.